Hi friends! Today we're gonna show you our hotel for the next 2 days and 2 nights. This is one of the Villa Loren. Hi friends! Hey friends! Now let's go to where baby came from, our bedroom. First they have a massive space here for the closet, and then this CR with a bathtub and a shower. Yeah, you want to put on your shoes? Okay, and this is the nice bedroom. And a TV and some seating right over there. All the way to the balcony with the sea view, the ocean view, and a very nice couch outside. Now let's go back around. Although there is an access to the salad, but we can go back around here to see the kitchen with a nice big ref. And there's somebody say hi, mommy. Oh no, mommy didn't say hi. They prepared something for us. Oh, mommy's looking for the plates. Wow, with the ocean view. And then there is the nice swimming pool. And this nice sitting right over here. Oh wow! And the TV and the balcony again, all the way that is connected to the bedroom with a nice view. This is all for baby's birthday. Happy birthday, baby! Happy birthday, Antoinette.
Say thank you, Daddy.
Okay.